Hello guys, again we have come here to discuss about environmental disasters and how can we protect environmental disasters and how to teach our children how to protect environmental disasters. So those are the things we will discuss, and our guest is Humayun Kabir. They also give some opinions about this. The first question I want to ask to Humayun Kabir, what do you consider to be the world's worst environmental disasters caused by human beings?
Sorry, personally, I think nothing can happen. Sorry. Okay, nothing can happen automatically.
Yeah.
Every matters behind a cause or a reason.
Yeah.
That's why I think all natural disasters happened by human.
Yeah. That. The next question: why do you think environmental disasters caused by human happen?
Okay, Sadiq, you know that we are facing world pandemic of coronavirus. Do you think it's caused automatically or naturally?
No. I think it is.
I think it's
Creates by human.
It creates by human being because you know that we are people. We are the main culprit. We are cutting tree every day in the world, and we are polluting environment every day in various way.
Yeah.
And that's why our ecosystem is changed.
Yeah.
And it makes and it's bring many disasters like novel coronavirus.
Yeah.
And that matters impact in our social life, in our personal life, and it causes various diseases, and we suffer various diseases. And long time we can say it's causes huge impact in our daily life.
Yeah. But do you think there will be more environmental disasters caused by human in future?
Yeah, I think you can see we are facing a lot of environmental disasters like flood, river erosion, air pollution, tsunami, tornado, earthquake not only caused by human, but it's caused by humans' work. It's take time, thousands of years.
Yeah.
It's all natural disaster or environmental disaster caused by human, and because we are polluting environment every day.
Yeah. The which environmental problems are most concerned about your country?
Our country, we are as a developing country, we are facing a lot of problem. We face flood, air pollution, river erosion, earthquake, tsunami every year. But flood is the most alarming disaster for us. You know that World Organization claim that 1/3 of part in our country will go down sea in 2015.
Yeah.
It's really alarming news for us. And I think in this situation we should take necessary step. Otherwise, our huge part of in our country will go down in the water level.
Yeah. What are the main causes of those environmental problems?
There are many various causes in this environmental problem. We rubbish also into the water. We are cutting tree. We are polluting in environmental elements. We collect sand into the river, and we are throwing plastic in the river. And we have polluted air, and this air is shaped up as a cloud. It causes rain, and in this time our sea water becomes hot, and after a long time we can see like tsunami, tornado, and all matters are related to another to another.
But do you think that it is responsibility of the governments alone to protect the environment?
I don't think so. It's first we have to be we need consciousness. Our people need consciousness, and other as well as GOP should promote this kind of information. GOP should promote this kind of news in our textbook in primary level. And if people know this matter, they will be serious about this matter. I think this kind of work can do this.
Yeah. So, what measures can individual take to protect the environment?
I told you a few minutes ago. It's first we have to we need consciousness, and we have to do step by step, and it can be planted tree, and it can be planted tree. It can be save our animals and our historical elements in our world. This kind of work, if we do, our environment will be saved.
Do you think large companies and some business organizations should be more environmental friendly? Why and how?
I think it should be because you know that big companies and large institutions produce a black wash in every day. It causes air pollution. And you know that we make building and institution illegally or unconsciously. It causes it impacts huge impacts in our environment. It causes a huge problem in our daily life. We are suffering a lot of problem in these matters.
Yeah.
That's why we should we need a proper rules and regulation, and GOP should take law information in this matter.
Yeah. So how can we teach the children about the importance of protecting the environment?
I think we should GOP should promote in early stage and promote promote Meena cartoon like this program. We should promote on television. We should promote a story about environment in our basic level education. Education will be added that a story about environment, whatever we can do, what we should do. Then our environment will be saved, and our next generation live peacefully. I think.
So thank you much for giving the opinions how to protect the environmental disasters and how to teach our children to protect the environment from environmental disasters. So thank you all.
Thank you all. Bye bye.
Bye bye.